Hello, adventurers. This week, we're heading to Spain, a country of vibrant culture, historic landmarks, and stunning landscapes. From the bustling streets of Madrid to the sun-soaked beaches of Barcelona, Spain promises an unforgettable journey. Let's dive into this incredible adventure. Our journey begins in Madrid, Spain's capital and a city full of energy and charm. As we step off the plane at Adolfo Suarez Madrid Barajas Airport, the lively atmosphere of the city greets us. Our first stop is the Prado Museum, home to masterpieces by artists like Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco. The sheer beauty and depth of Spanish art leave us in awe. Next, we stroll through Retiro Park, a serene oasis in the heart of the city. Renting a rowboat on the park's iconic lake adds a touch of romance to the day. For lunch, we head to a local tapas bar and savor a variety of small plates, including patatas bravas, jamón ibérico, and tortilla española. Each bite is bursting with flavor. In the evening, we visit Plaza Mayor, Madrid's historic square. The illuminated buildings and lively street performances create a magical atmosphere. We end the day with churros dipped in thick hot chocolate, a classic Spanish treat. On our second day, we take a short train ride to Toledo, a city steeped in history. Known as the City of Three Cultures, Toledo's architecture reflects its Christian, Jewish, and Islamic heritage. Walking through the narrow streets feels like stepping back in time. Our first stop is the Toledo Cathedral, an impressive Gothic masterpiece. The intricate details of its interior, including the stunning altarpiece, are breathtaking. Next, we visit the Alcazar of Toledo, a fortress that offers panoramic views of the city and surrounding landscape. For lunch, we try marzipan, a sweet almond dessert that Toledo is famous for. In the afternoon, we explore the El Greco Museum, dedicated to the renowned artist who lived and worked in Toledo. His expressive paintings capture the spirit of Spain. As the sun sets, we walk along the Tagus River, soaking in the beauty of this historic city. It's a perfect end to a day filled with art and history. Day 3 takes us to Seville, the heart of Andalusia. Known for its passion and tradition, Seville offers a mix of cultural experiences. Our first stop is the Seville Cathedral, one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in the world. Climbing the Giralda Tower rewards us with stunning views of the city. Next, we explore the Real Alcazar, a magnificent palace with intricate Moorish architecture and lush gardens. Wandering through the courtyards and halls feels like stepping into a fairy tale. For lunch, we indulge in gazpacho, a refreshing cold tomato soup, and pescado frito, crispy fried fish. In the afternoon, we visit the Barrio Santa Cruz, a charming neighborhood with narrow alleys and colorful houses. In the evening, we attend a flamenco performance. The passionate music, rhythmic clapping, and powerful dance moves leave us mesmerized. Seville's energy and soul have truly captivated us. On day 4, we travel to Granada, a city that showcases Spain's Moorish heritage. The highlight of the day is the Alhambra, a stunning palace and fortress complex. As we walk through its ornate halls and serene gardens, we're struck by the beauty of Islamic art and architecture. The Generalife Gardens, with their fountains and vibrant flowers, provide a peaceful retreat. The view of Granada from the Alhambra's towers is unforgettable. For lunch, we try tapas, a tradition that originated in Andalusia. Small dishes like albondigas, meatballs, and gambas al ajillo, garlic shrimp, are perfect for sharing. In the evening, we explore the Albaicin neighborhood, a maze of narrow streets and whitewashed houses. Watching the sunset from the Mirador de San Nicolas, with the Alhambra and Sierra Nevada mountains in the background, is a magical experience. Our journey continues in Valencia, a city known for its futuristic architecture and culinary delights. We start the day at the City of Arts and Sciences, an architectural marvel featuring an opera house, science museum, and aquarium. The sleek, modern design contrasts beautifully with the city's historic charm. For lunch, we enjoy paella, Valencia's most famous dish. The combination of saffron-infused rice, fresh seafood, and local vegetables is a feast for the senses. In the afternoon, we stroll through the Turia Gardens, a park built on a former riverbed. The lush greenery and playful sculptures make it a delightful escape. We also visit the historic Valencia Cathedral and its Miguelite Tower, climbing to the top for panoramic views of the city. Dinner is a relaxed affair at a beachside restaurant, where we savor fresh fish and enjoy the gentle sea breeze. Valencia's mix of innovation and tradition has left us inspired. On day 6, we arrive in Barcelona, a city known for its art, architecture, and Mediterranean vibe. Our first stop is the Sagrada Familia, Antoni Gaudi's masterpiece. The towering spires and intricate facades are unlike anything we've ever seen. Next, we explore Park Güell, another Gaudi creation. The colorful mosaics and whimsical designs make it a photographer's dream. For lunch, we try pan con tomate, a simple yet delicious dish of bread rubbed with tomato and drizzled with olive oil. In the afternoon, we visit the Gothic Quarter, a historic area with narrow streets and medieval buildings. The lively atmosphere and hidden squares make it a joy to explore. We end the day at Barceloneta Beach, relaxing by the sea as the sun sets. Barcelona's blend of culture and relaxation has won our hearts. Our final destination is Bilbao, a city in Spain's Basque Country. The highlight of the day is the Guggenheim Museum, a modern art museum housed in a striking building designed by Frank Gehry. The innovative exhibits and futuristic architecture are a testament to Bilbao's creativity. For lunch, we sample pinxos, small bites similar to tapas but with a Basque twist. These flavorful snacks are perfect for exploring Bilbao's culinary scene. In the afternoon, we stroll along the Nervión River, admiring the city's blend of old and new. The Zubizarreta Bridge and Casco Viejo, Bilbao's old town, offer a glimpse into its rich history. As our journey comes to an end, we reflect on the incredible diversity of Spain. From its vibrant cities to its historic landmarks and culinary treasures, Spain has truly captured our hearts. Until next time, happy travels.